To anyone who's interested in making their own bows, I wrote a book. And there's a decently long story behind this, but I'll spare you most of the details. The book's about how to build this bow. It's a how-to guide with detailed measurements, conversion charts, in-depth photos, infographics, and diagrams. So what's the bow? Well, I'm not one to try to sell something to somebody who doesn't need something. So if you want to make a bow and you like to make wood bows, and you would like to make something really unique that is wood and bamboo, but takes takedown hardware. So now you've got a 3-piece takedown hardware bow that has no fiberglass on it. Super unique and super cool. Last year I made this video. I don't know if I can pull off making a 3-piece takedown bow without fiberglass. Don't break, don't break, don't break. A 3-piece bow opens up more sourcing opportunities because you don't need as long of a board to build a bow. Now this is a crazy idea because it's a cardinal sin to manipulate the back of a wood bow. But today we're drilling through it voluntarily. The fear is that by drilling through the wood, it'll create a weak spot. And when we draw the bow back, it could break. And there's only one way to find out if I can pull this off. We have to do it. And in that video, I built a prototype of this bow. Now, I've built this bow many times in the fiberglass form. This was one of the mountain bows, but I converted it to this wood form. I've been testing it a lot, and I liked how it shot so much. That's why I wrote a book on how to build this. Now, I'm calling it like a how-to guide. It's only 100 pages, but is extremely easy to follow. So I will proceed with making a video of all the contents in this book. I don't want to gatekeep or hide anything from people. I like to give information away for free. But with the information in this, it will be easier to build than with watching the video because you have everything written down to the detail and with extreme focused thought. But I have been writing video scripts for archery videos, over 300 bow building how-to videos. And so I had so many notes and so much already built around this. I wanted to put it all together to make it great. With that, here soon an instructional video will come out, or maybe 5, of how to build this specific bow. This one has a charred hickory handle. I think it looks pretty cool. What do you think? This one, I substituted hickory on the limbs for oak and turned it into an oak bow with a hickory handle. I think this one looks really good as well, but they shoot super smooth. So here's the deal. Me and my brother have teamed up to provide a kit as well. So we'll provide all the materials, the takedown hardware, the material for the riser, the material for the limbs, which includes bamboo and hickory. All of that's included in a kit. And the first 10 people to order that kit with this code right here will get the book for free in the kit. Now, you can also buy this book just directly from Amazon. That's where it's sold if you just want the book, and you can gather your own materials. But if you want everything, just one purchase, and you have everything to make the bow, go check out the kit on Shatterproof Archery, link in the description. If you are not someone who wants the book, just give me a high five because it's not easy to write something like that. How many hours I took on end working on it. I don't know why I'm saying this. I don't need any pity. The goal is to add value in something that somebody could build. 40 years from now, they could take that book and build the bow and it work great. But if you're not someone who is wanting to build a bow, you could get this, but you'd probably only find interesting maybe about 10 pages of the book is maybe some behind the scenes and some stories that you maybe have never heard of. So basically what I'm telling you is don't buy this unless you're gonna build this bow. And if you're gonna build this bow, this is gonna be a fantastic resource. It's gotta be the first book I write because the style was just so dialed. Not only that, I have a new tillering method in this book that will come out in a video here soon, but it allows you to tiller with just math and it allows you to nail it every single time. I've done a lot of testing on this, so I hope if you build this bow, it's one of your favorites. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys when I see you.